Incredible Smiles is a full-service, state-of-the-art professional dental office where Dr. Lori Kemet has created a very relaxing environment. You're going to experience true professional dental care every step of the way. Not only has Dr. Kemet received many professional accolades for her treatment expertise, but she's also instructed other dentists during her career, so she definitely knows what she's doing. And we're very happy to have Dr. Lori Kemet from Incredible Smiles for the very first time on the show. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
It's great to meet you in person.
You too.
I've seen marketing, all of your different spots throughout the years here in Denver. You've been here a long time, haven't you?
We've been here since '92.
And what makes your practice different than other practices that are out there?
Well, I have to say I love my team. I have just a beautiful team outside and in. They're just great people, and they're very, very well trained. And the office itself, you just saw pictures of it, it's very much the feel of like a living room. Mm-hmm. So it's not really so technical. We try to stay away from the white lab coats. There's Juliet. She's just a wonderful, wonderful person, and we serve coffee. It's just a really comfortable feel all the way. We just do everything we can to make people feel comfortable.
You know, when I saw you and you sat down, I noticed your beautiful smile, and that's always a good thing when your dentist has a gorgeous smile. Absolutely stunning. And part of your career, you teach other dentists.
I do.
How did that come about in your career? And I would imagine it's pretty rewarding.
It is. It's very rewarding. In 1997, I took a course at an institute called LVI. It stands for the Las Vegas Institute for Advanced Dental Studies. Mm-hmm. And I took a course there, and the founder of the institute, Dr. Bill Dickerson, invited me to become an instructor. So I've been instructing there since 1998. So I guess that's 13 years now, and I instruct 2 courses mainly. One of them is kind of a foundation course, and then one of them is a very advanced course called full mouth reconstruction.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Definitely educated, and you definitely have a history of knowing exactly what to do and a history of well-known clients too here in the community.
I do, yeah.
Can you tell us a few of those clients, or how did they come about to learn about your business?
Sure. One of the pictures you showed in the video just now is of Reggie Rivers.
I thought that was him.
Yeah, and so Reggie came to us wanting to close the space between his front teeth. So we did that with veneers, and let's see, we also have had Frank Shorter in. Mm-hmm. He's the Olympic gold medalist. I think it's 1972, but I might have the year wrong. He was the gold medalist in the marathon, and we did some veneers for him too.
You offer a variety of professional services. So
Mm-hmm.
once our viewers come into your office, what will they find?
Oh, well,
when it comes to professional care?
Sure. We offer everything. So from general dentistry, and let me say that most people get confused. They think we just do cosmetic dentistry because of our name, Incredible Smiles, but we really do everything. So we do general dentistry that encompasses fillings, crowns, cleanings, but then we also have very high-tech services like implants. So we place dental implants, and then we also restore them. So I have a team of dentists so that we, I don't think that I can actually do everything really, really well. I bring in other people that are experts in their field too. So I have somebody there at my office today, in fact, placing implants, mm-hmm. and then I'll restore those implants in the future.
Makes sense. Invisalign's pretty popular too. Why would someone come see you for Invisalign?
Very popular right now. Well, as a general dentist, it's kind of nice to be able to see the sort of the beginning and then being able to picture the end result. And as a general dentist, I can do little tricks to really tie it all together. So if somebody ends up with a little space somewhere, I can do a little bit of bonding to close that in. Whereas people that maybe, I'm not going to say that orthodontists can't do that, but typically dentists are able to do a little bit more with kind of adding the finishing touches.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Is this Invisalign right here?
This is it.
Can I've never actually seen one up close. Do you mind if they're very light?
They're very light, they're clear,
yeah.
And when you have them on your teeth, it just looks like your teeth are very shiny.
Oh,
and the nice thing about Invisalign is that you can take it out. So if you're going out for dinner with some friends, you can just take it out, and nobody even knows you're doing anything with straightening. It beats the heck out of having metal braces on your teeth.
You gotta love it, absolutely, as an adult especially. Once you hit that age and you still need that care, mm-hmm. something like this would do wonders. Wonderful.
Right. Yeah.
We have some before and after pictures I want to just show really quick and kind of walk us through and tell me what you did here.
Sure. And let me just say that these people have consented, so they're fine with us showing their pictures on the air.
Okay.
And your results may differ, too, from the final results of these people. But this is Jamie. She came to us from Fort Collins. Mm-hmm. And she didn't like the sort of the twisted teeth. And so we just rotated her teeth with Invisalign, and now she doesn't have such a strong look. You can see where her teeth look a little bit more...
Very natural and beautiful, yeah.
just a little softened look, prettier. And this guy came to us, and you can see on the upper left-hand side, his teeth were very crowded. And typically when somebody goes to a dentist, the dentist might think, well, we have to pull a tooth to get these all straight. I don't like pulling teeth. I love saving teeth. And so we did a little trick before actually doing the Invisalign, but it's 80% of what you see there is Invisalign treatment.
Oh my goodness. And how long does something like that take? Depends on the patient.
Depends on the person,
Right.
but the first person you saw, 5 months. The second person you saw, a year.
Okay.
And then this, if you can go back to the picture right before the one that you just showed.
There we
so
go.
right here, if you can just hold there. This is a little girl, actually. She is in 6th grade now, but when she was in 5th grade, she came to me, and she just had the bonding done to her front teeth, and that's the upper left-hand picture, and really not a very good job. So what we did is we fixed that up for her, did some bonding, and this is not veneers, it's just bonding to really make her feel better about herself.
Sure. Especially at that age, self-esteem comes into play, so you want to make sure that they're confident.
Yes.
And a smile says so much about you. What about this patient?
This person actually some chipping and shortening of their front teeth, and it was aging them. So we did veneers for this person.
Oh my
So
goodness,
that's
it doesn't
the
look
after.
like the same smile.
I know. It's
But
just beautiful.
natural.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
And there's the before and after, yeah.
Goodness, you